In the Livewire component that we have implemented, if we go to page 2, we see that our URL is changing. We see that the URL now contains the page parameter. We would like to do the same when we click on this active checkbox. We would like the URL to be changed so that users can share it easily. And I would also like to change the URL when user searches for something. So let's see how we can do that in Livewire. Well, what I need to do is I'll need to define a protected array and call it query strings. And this array will contain all the parameters that we want in the URL. So I will put the active and then I will have the queue over here. In fact, this should be query string. So let us test this in browser. So now if I change the check the checkbox, it is present in the URL. If I go to the second page, it is still present in the URL. So our checkbox is now present in the URL. And if I search for something, that Q, which stands for query, is also present in the URL. So that is how we can change the URL whenever any of our property changes. However, if we check this page parameter, it is present when we go to the page 2. However, if we come to the page 1, this parameter is not present. So the page param is only present on the page 2 and page 3. On page 1, which is by the default, it is not present. Well, I would like to do the same for the active checkbox and the search parameter. When the search parameter is empty, I would like to remove this. And when the active checkbox is not checked, I would like to remove that from the URL as well. So we can do so by changing this to a key value pair, and I will use the except parameter. Here I will pass the value which I do not want. So if the query parameter is empty, I'll pass this as a parameter. So let us test this one. Now if I click on the checkbox, only when I check on it, it is present. If I remove it, it is removed from the URL. And same thing for the search parameter. Only when I search for it, it is present. And if I remove the search parameter, it is removed from the URL. So that is how you can use query strings in Livewire to make your URL better. And another thing that I would like to do is that if the active checkbox is checked, I would like to remove this status column, because when this active checkbox is checked, we know that all the items have the status as active. So I would only like to show this status column when the active checkbox is not checked. Well, again, this is very easy. We can use our active property that we have defined, and we can wrap this heading in the if condition. And same thing I will do in the down over here. I will again wrap this in the if condition and display if only if it is active. In fact, it should be not active. I'll change over here itself. Now if I reload the browser, we see that the status column is only showed when it is not checked. So that is a nice little improvement.